Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow garlic at home. It's very easy to do and I definitely encourage children to get involved in this as well. Let's go. By the way, just before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. I'm going to grow two varieties. One is Casablanca and one is elephant garlic. The only difference between an elephant garlic and your traditional garlic is the elephant garlic is a lot more milder in taste, so you can use it in cooking which doesn't require strong garlic taste. On the other hand, if you want strong garlic taste in your cooking, then you want to grow a variety such as Casablanca or any other traditional garlic. Whichever variety you wish to grow, the growing method is exactly the same. Let's go ahead and open up the more traditional Casablanca variety. As you can see, this one looks a lot more traditional, something that you would see in your supermarkets. And this one has already started sprouting, which is a good sign for me. So the first thing we want to do is just separate each clove. Once you've separated the garlic, place the cloves in a container for now. You can plant this directly into the ground now, but what I'm going to do is to start them off in pots. And the only reason for that is because my border is not ready yet. So I will let them grow in here, and in a couple of weeks time I'll put them into the border. Now you can use fresh compost and that will work just as fine, but what I'm going to do is use the soil from the ground where I'm going to be growing them in the future. So let's go ahead and fill this pot up with some soil from the ground. We've now filled up our pots with garden soil. The benefit of this is you're not wasting any compost, and also your garden soil will have all the nutrients your garlic will need to start growing. And by using this method, you're giving your garlic the exact same growing conditions. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and smash that like button. Now we're ready to sow our garlic cloves. All we want to do is position our garlic cloves pointy side up, and if you look at the bottom, these are the roots. To position these in, all we want to do is, I'll bring this a bit closer so you can see, take our garlic clove and press it down, push it in, and if you do have some growth already, just so enough so you can see the top of it, like that. So that's probably in about 2 inches. Let me give you another example. So you take your clove, roots at the bottom, pointy side up, and you push it in like so. Just position some soil around it and it will look something like that. I'll go ahead and position the rest in now. Once you've sowed your cloves, it will look something like this. Now all I'm going to do at this stage is just dress it with some more garden soil just to cover them lightly. Okay, give it a good shake. And even though the garlic has been buried, they will soon come through. Now to sow the elephant garlic, exactly the same method. So you take your pot, take your elephant garlic, remember pointy side up, and create a little hole. If there's any stones like that, get rid of it. And you just want to position it in like so. So you can see that's been buried about maybe about 2 inches, 2-3 inches, which is good. Cover it up. And there you go. That's perfect. That's ready now as well. What I'll do next is when I see some good growth in these pots, I will then transfer them into the border and I will only select the good, strong, healthy plants. Now that we have completed our pots, there's only 2 things left to do. The first thing is to label them. And the second thing to do is to water them. Give them a good soak. And there you go guys, that's how you grow garlic at home. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment or send me a message. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family and smash that like button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.